Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel and welcome to this new video series here on the channel, which is all about designer money. Over the next 52 weeks we are going to explore how can we as designers make money. We are going to explore some more obvious ways and some ways you probably didn't think about and probably didn't take into consideration. So every single Friday you can check back here on the channel. There's going to be a new way and a new method for you to make money as a designer. If you don't like this week's method, you can check back next week and make sure to hit that subscribe button not to miss out, and you can also turn on those bell notification icons so that you're going to get notified every Friday when I launch a new video. This is the insert for my course 101 ways to make money as a designer, and you can check it out by going to my membership. A link is going to be down in the description below. You can check out my membership for all of my courses, all of my design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check out. A link is going to be in the description below. Now without any further ado, let's check out this week's method. This week's tip is design jobs sites, and these sites are basically focused on finding you work by working directly with these different companies. So they are taking the percentage because they introduce those companies to you as a designer, and they are simply acting as a middleman. Depending on what you are doing, there are many different websites out there, and they are either taking a cut of the project overall, or they are taking a fixed sum of money by introducing you as a designer to these potential clients. So there are many different solutions out there, many different websites and many different pricing plans for all of those different clients and for you as a designer. Some websites are charging you access to all of those clients. Some websites are free but are taking much more money from those clients, so you are left with much less money at the end of the project. So make sure to explore all of these. And for all of those websites, one thing is for certain: you're going to need a portfolio, and the better portfolio you have, the better are the chances of you actually getting hired. Some of these websites are going to offer you everything and anything just for you to say yes, just for them to take the commission from those clients. But make sure to focus and to work on the jobs that you really enjoy and that you really find yourselves in, then taking all of these different jobs and working all of these different positions. There are many different websites out there depending on what you are doing. I'm going to link some of them in the description below, so make sure to check it out and make sure to see if some of these websites really do work for you. But off the top of my head, there is a TopTal, AngelCorp, HubStuff and many of these websites which are not really mainstream, sort of say like 99 Designs and Upwork for example are, but they can really bring you a good amount of job and really some high quality clients and some high quality projects. So once again, link are going to be down in the description below. Make sure to check them out and see if some of these websites are interesting for you. Jobs on these websites are really incredible sometimes, and they can really be life-changing and transforming, especially because some of these big companies are giving away projects there for designers to participate, to work with, and they are actually sometimes even hire full-time designers on those websites. So make sure to check them out. Once again, links are going to be down in the description below. Make sure to check them out and see if some of those are good for you. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos here on the channel every single week. So if you like this one, make sure to subscribe and make sure to check back next Friday when I upload a new video here to the Designer Money playlist. If you don't like this one, check back next week and see if that one is a good fit for you. And also don't forget to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to get all of my courses, all of my design products, all of my practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.